Hi everyone, this is Qaiser Shahzad, your English language teacher, and today I'm going to talk about vowel sounds in IPA chart. So there are 20 vowel sounds, and there is a major attribute of vowel sounds that there has to be no hindrance in the way of the windpipe. So A, E, I, O, U as there was in the alphabets. Now we have 20 vowel sounds. I'm going to pronounce them and you have to repeat after me. E. E. So one tip for you, whenever there are going to be two dots in front of that sound, it means that it has to prolong. There has to be a longer sound of that one. So E, 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 C, E, E, happy. Sit. A, 10. So another tip for you guys, that vowel sounds are all about the height of tongue and the roundness of the lips. It's all about the height of the tongue as well and the place of the articulation. So sometimes it's going to be an upper sound, sometimes it's going to be a lower sound, sometimes it's going to be produced on the lower end of the mouth as well. So these things are going to help you out in sounding them better. A, cat. A, cat. A, father. O, God. A, sa. Put. Actual. Now it's a longer sound. Two. It's a longer sound. Two. It's an upper sound now. Cup. Bird. Now it's at the back end. About. Now we have diphthongs. Diphthongs are those vowel sounds which have two vowel sounds and they are overlapping each other, just as in a, say, o, go, I, 5, ow, now, I, boy, ear, near, air, as in here, oor, as in pure. You have to practice for them again and again. See you in the next video. Goodbye.